In the previous video, I talked about cameras. In this one, I'm going to tell you how to make a render texture, or in other words, use a camera in your game. You can use this for mirrors, cameras, and a lot of use cases it has. Now I'm going to create another folder called textures, and I'm going to make a render texture. And name this to cam texture. And this camera one, if I go to the scene view, you can see the camera preview. I want to make another view, for example, this view. And I'm going to align this camera with this view. Now it's good, and so I changed the render type of this camera to overlay because our base camera is this one. And I want to make a 3D object called quads. Quads are very simple. It only has a surface on one side of it, and it doesn't have any depth. For example, it doesn't have any depth, and it is very light and good for weak devices, and also it is very optimized. And I'm going to rotate it to -19 on the y-axis. So in our game view, we have a view of it, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger and also put it elsewhere. Now it's good, and I don't want mesh collider of it, so I remove it, and I'm going to our material section. We're going to the material sections and create another material. I name it cam material, and for the base map of it, we use a cam texture. The better practice is to use a simpler material, but for now I'm just going to show you. And this camera, without this camera, our game detects it for the main camera. The things we should do for not detecting it for the camera, we should set the output texture to our texture. And you can see our texture is now, our camera is now, and you can see our camera, the duty of this camera is to rendering this texture, and our main camera is now set back to our default camera. So I'm going to activate the cube again. By this condition, the cube goes into that direction. And save this. I'm going to maximize it, and you should see the cube in both views. It's like we have a camera here that shows us another view. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. You can use RenderTexture for mirrors, cameras, and many use cases. You can even use it for reflecting the water. It is not very optimized, but you can still use it. And also another note from RenderTexture is that by clicking on that texture, you will see a size. So RenderTexture has size. You can decrease it for more performance and increase it for better quality. You can see the quality of it are really bad. I want to go to the I went to the scene tab, so you can see clearly how low quality it is. And we can also increase it for having better resolution. You can see now it looks like a mirror. Anyway, that's it for this video. I really hope you found this video helpful and like it and subscribe it and share it. And thank you for watching.